we're excited to announce the latest software update for the 7111 Diagnostic tablet, powered by Repair Solutions Pro. This new release delivers enhanced coverage, faster communication, and smarter test functions, helping you diagnose vehicles more accurately and efficiently than ever. With the new custom scan feature, you no longer have to run a full sequential scan across every system. Instead, you can select only the systems you want to test and scan them all in a single pass. This means faster results, reduced wait time, and more time spent diagnosing and fixing the vehicle. Live data for the ECM and TCM now includes smart PID grouping organized into logical categories. This new layout makes it easier to locate, compare, and analyze critical data, helping you diagnose issues faster and make more accurate repairs. Active tests and special functions have been greatly expanded across the most commonly serviced systems. These additions give you greater command over system checks and facilitate quicker, more precise fault verification. While viewing live data, the new system voltage feature lets you monitor supply voltage across all vehicle systems in real time. This helps ensure stable power delivery and reliable diagnostic readings throughout every test. But that's not all. The Workshop Tools section has been expanded to include 44 advanced functions. You'll now have access to powerful capabilities, such as ECU coding, VIN read-write, rain light sensor reset, HV battery reset, and more. These enhancements give you deeper access to modern vehicle systems, allowing you to complete advanced diagnostic and service tasks without switching tools, all built right into the 7111 Diagnostic tablet. For even faster access, you can now pin your most used workshop tools to the top of the list using the new Favorites feature. This lets you customize your workspace and reach your go-to functions instantly, making your diagnostic process faster and more efficient. With all these new updates, the 7111 Diagnostic tablet continues to evolve, delivering the precision, speed, and flexibility professional technicians need to take on any job in the Bay. For more details, visit pro.repairsolutions.com.